Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Only few hours left before the 3.0 Theta mainnet launch, and we are going to see what will happen with TFUEL. What's the obstacle right now? Where are we going in the next few hours? If you like the content, hit the like button and subscribe. Also, join our Telegram group chat, guys. Link is in the description down below, and join our monthly subscription to get easy profits. Link is also in the description down below. You can cancel your subscription anytime you like. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. And of course, we are going to see now what is the main obstacle. The main obstacle, guys, is the 50-day EMA, right? Because you can see here we found a little bit of a resistance back then, almost at the 29th June. We didn't get to go to 46 cents. However, it isn't always necessary that we will go down from 38 cents, right? Because right now this is our major support level, but if we don't go down from here, guys, eventually we can climb ourselves back up, right? So eventually you can see that we have these as our main price targets during the Fibonacci retracement from this top right here, ending up to this bottom right there, right at 34 cents, around there, 34 to 35 cents. So let's see some important things here for the MACD. Okay, it was good that we crossed above, but now we are having a bearish cross again. It's okay, guys. If we have a bearish cross, we don't have to worry at all, right? For the MACD, we want higher lows and higher highs, but you also have to see the price along with the MACD, right? Although we are having higher lows and higher highs, the price doesn't seem to go upwards. Therefore, this is something that we should be concerned about, right? Because if the MACD goes upwards, guys, and the price remains silent for a bit, then having higher highs and higher lows isn't always the key factor on the 4-hour frame. On TradingView, you can see I'm on the 4-hour frame on the MACD indicator. Let's go now to the 4-hour frame, guys, on the commodity channel index, on the stochastic RSI, and of course the RSI, to discuss some important things. First of all, we are going down below from minus 100 for the commodity channel index. This is something, guys, that we do know as an oversold situation, right? When we are having an oversold situation, we are having a buying opportunity. However, this is not always the case, and you should always combine other indicators, right? So therefore, you can see, even though the commodity channel index is in an oversold situation, the RSI is not. However, we are making some higher low progress in here, which is very, very good for TFUEL, and we want to see eventually we can keep going and surpassing our next high, right? This line right here, we need to go above our previous high, and we want to see now eventually, guys, for the commodity channel index, if yes, we can hold the 35 cents or not. So the stochastic RSI, guys, is going into an oversold situation as well. We are at minus 13, and we want to see now whether we can go a little bit beyond. We will see about that for the stochastic RSI. Right now, you can see we are not in our lowest, we are not in our bottom, but we are going into an oversold situation. So therefore, we have 2 out of 3 indicators that they are saying that we are in an oversold situation, and this is good, guys. Also, it will be better if we keep our higher low pattern in the commodity channel index as well, and stop right here, and then have a significant swing high for TFUEL. What I like most about TFUEL is the TFUEL Bitcoin chart that I will show you in the next minutes. Right now, though, let's go to the daily frame and to the SSL HYBRID that we had here, guys, a buying opportunity. However, we are going down, right? We had a buying opportunity on the daily frame, but we don't have the profits needed. So what is happening, guys? As I've told you, SSL HYBRID is correct most of the times, but sometimes it is not. Therefore, you should be careful. Although we don't have a red arrow yet, we don't want to short our position yet. So therefore, we expect maybe if we can go even higher. Let's see a little bit the Bollinger bands, and the Bollinger bands, guys. We approached the bottom line, we had a little bit of a swing high, now we are falling down again. We want to see now eventually if we can go all the way upwards. On the daily frame, guys, I believe that this is looking like a hammer candle, right? This is looking like a hammer candle, but we will see about that. I expect maybe TFUEL to have a swing high. Let's go to the commodity channel index. We are in an oversold situation again, guys. We can't keep going like this forever. Sometime we have to go and go above the 100, right? The commodity channel index on the daily frame has to go above the 100. Same for the RSI, although the RSI is not below 30, right? So mainly, according to the RSI, we have room to correct more. And the MACD doesn't look good, guys. We keep going down and down. We have no signs of having a bullish cross between the blue line and the signal line yet. Let's go to the TFUEL Bitcoin in the 4-hour frame. You can see we have here a descending wedge going down, guys. You can see lower lows, lower highs all the way. This is something that I don't like on TFUEL Bitcoin in the 4-hour frame. However, I will show you something that I like on the daily frame. We have the commodity channel index being in an extremely oversold situation. Same here for the RSI, it is going to go beyond 30 for TFUEL Bitcoin chart, and the MACD still is indecisive. We are going sideways, guys, and we don't know if we should go upwards or downwards. Eventually, guys, if we lose this support level, this won't be very good for the MACD, right? And we want to see now whether the blue line can go above the signal line or not. So for TFUEL, guys, we have a descending wedge, the 4-hour frame, 20-day MA cross the 50-day MA. Not so good for now for the 4-hour frame, but we have also an oversold situation. Always remember that on the commodity channel index. And we have the daily, where we have the stochastic RSI, guys, in our lowest, right? It is in the lowest point, so it can't go lower. However, you can see that as long as the stochastic RSI remains here, the price might be dropping, right? We have to see other indicators as well. Commodity channel index, guys, on the daily is going into an extremely oversold situation. The MACD on the daily doesn't look good. However, guys, the commodity channel index, you can see that we are standing way below minus 100. We are now at minus 125. We have a very oversold situation. Maybe the RSI is not there yet. However, guys, according to the commodity channel index, we should expect a swing high pretty soon for TFUEL. So let's go to the price analysis, guys, and you can see that we want to maintain this support level right here for TFUEL, right? We want to maintain around there the 38 cents. We want to go and maintain the 38.5 cents. If we go down from there, then we can easily retest the 35 cents. We want to avoid that, guys, and we want to avoid having a lower low than the previous one right here. But you can see the commodity channel index is in an oversold situation. We are forming a higher low pattern here, as you can see, and the stochastic RSI is going also into an oversold situation. The RSI remains the same, although you can see the higher low pattern that we are following too. Therefore, guys, I think we are near a bottom right here. Okay, so I expect TFUEL maybe to have a swing high again. You know the price targets 46 cents, 42 cents, although you should be careful, because if we don't make the 42 cents as a support level, then don't expect something, right? We need to form the 42 cents as a support level for now, right? So therefore, guys, let me find some support levels, short-term support levels. In case you don't know, I draw my Fibonacci retracement from the bottom to the top, from the bottom to the top, in order to find major support levels. And you can see that we need to hold the 0.786, the 38 cents, as I've told you before. Holding this will be good, but if we fall down from the 38.4 around there cents, then we won't be good. Therefore, we need to close. Also, we don't want to go below the 38. And you will tell me, if everything goes bad, guys, if everything gets destroyed here, what is the next support level that TFUEL can have before a swing high? Because it can reach, right, another support level in case we drop from 35. So what is the next major support level? I would say, guys, around 25, 28 cents. Then we will have a very strong swing high. If everything goes wrong, then we have the 28 cents where you can just rebuy. Always have a buying opportunity, a buying strategy, guys, and an exit strategy. It is so important. And we can see that we depend a lot on Bitcoin because we are correcting against Bitcoin. So therefore, if Bitcoin corrects a little, guys, TFUEL is correcting more. You can see that in a percentage, we are correcting more. Let's see how further down we have gone, guys. 13% downwards, right? So therefore, let's see the Bitcoin, how much down it went. Only 5%, 6%. That means, guys, that TFUEL is underperforming against Bitcoin. So let's go to Theta minute launch. You can see 7 hours and 34 minutes. You can join today. You can participate in the Theta Edge node. It is a great project, guys. It wants to have a next generation delivery, video delivery for gaming, and not only. It wants to be the next step from YouTube. It is very good project right now. And you can see that on the short term, though, we have to be careful, right? If you want for the long term, that's fine by me, guys. This is a great buying opportunity, right? For the long term, I agree with that. But for the short term, we have to be careful. Although TFUEL is about to outperform Bitcoin, always have that in your mind. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, please. Thank you so much for supporting, guys. We are a group on the Telegram group chat. We are a team that grows together and we help each other all day. Join us right now. Thank you. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.